Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen string concatenation and string format. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see escape characters. So first, why do we use escape characters? So we use escape characters to ignore any illegal character in our string. So I will show you example. So let's create variable a equals to, and I will write, sorry, in single quotes, I will write it's my channel. Okay, so here you can see this character is illegal character. Okay, in the first video of our string concept we have seen that we can't write single quotes if we cover our string with double quotes. Okay, so here we have covered our string with single quotes, and we also want to include single quotes in our string. Okay, so here we can just write slash, so this error will be removed. And if I write if I print actually this a variable, then you will see the result. You can see it's my channel, right? Again, so you can see it's my channel. So we use escape character concepts on strings which is containing illegal characters. Okay, there is one few more methods for escaping characters. So let's create one another variable which will be this is my car, and I want this my car to be in next line. So here I can simply write slash n, then my car will be appeared in another line. I will just copy this and comment this statement, and I will paste that over here, and I will write b. Okay, and I will just run. You can see my car is now in second line. Okay, same way, if I want to give tab, then I can just write space and t, so this will give tab in a string. Okay, oops, why this is not so it basically just removed this space in front of this is. Okay, so yeah, this is it for escape characters, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.